Lions live in packs, and the pack is usually led by a strong male lion. This male leader undertakes important duties such as protecting the herd and hunting. Dolphins are marine mammals known for their high intelligence and social behavior. They live in groups and interact with each other through complex communication methods. Chameleons are known for their ability to change color to blend in with their environment. These color changes are used both to hide and to communicate with other chameleons. Elephant tusks serve many functions, not only as tools of defense, but also for gathering food, digging, and even engaging in social interactions. Bees play a critical role in pollinating plants. Thanks to this pollination process, plants can reproduce and maintain the balance of the ecosystem.